We're going to count salary, allowance, transportation, yes, and the total, but I just give an example to only that is salary and allowance only. I will take it. Its value from this sheet. Yeah. So, if it's level 2, then his salary that we see here. Level to his salary, this one. Next, if level 3, then we see here this salary. We just start. I'll do it first. For this reference table, define name. How to. On blocks like this, then right-click, Peely define name. Well, here can be typed. For example, I type lowercase all. Like this. My next. Click the OK button. Will appear in this section. OK, next we're back to this sheet. We'll calculate his salary using the formula VLOOKUP. Then lookup value. We take this one, the first, all over here. Well, here we use commas. Table array that we have made in define name. Here. Then call underscore index for salary. We see here, for the salary, it is on second column. This is the first column. This is column 2. This is column 3. And this is the fourth column. The salary is in the second column. This is what we do. Like this. Comma, 2, because it is in the second column. Then comma. We choose this one. Or we can make a 0. Then close the bracket. Then we hit enter. The result is the same. That level 2. His salary, 1,200. See this level 2, 1,200. Now we double-click here. Let the results below. Filled. Well, like that. To find allowance is the same way. Equals. Like this. VLOOKUP. Lookup value. We click fixed. Next. Table array is the same. Then call underscore index is different. It is in the third column. For allowance, it's 3. Then I fell into a comma. Make 0 like this. OK, we'll see the results. Allowance is 800. Level to allowance 800. OK, to look for value underneath this. Double-click it like this. OK, that's the way. Using VLOOKUP, different sheet. So, if you're looking for transportation costs, can be used the same way. Just a column, just a different index. You can see the index column here. if for this transport, the index column is 4. Yes, I think that's all for my tutorial. Hopefully this is useful. Thank you.